Hi everyone! After getting dressed, excited na kaming matikman yung traditional breakfast ng mga locals dito sa Singapore. Unfortunately, medyo late na kami kaya marami ng tao, kaya we just headed to a cozy coffee shop just across the hotel, ang Toast Box. So, it's time to start the day with a warm cup of coffee and a heavy meal para may energy for the adventure ahead. We're all set and on our way to our first destination. Welcome to our day 2 of our Singapore adventure. Today, we're going into one of UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Singapore Botanic Gardens. Finally, andito na tayo to explore the Botanic Gardens here in Singapore. Let's go! Sobrang lawak ng garden. So first thing we did is to see the map para malaman kung saan kami unang pupunta. Sa entrance pa lang, photo op na agad. Unang nadaanan namin ay ang ginger garden, filled with exotic ginger species. At meron pang small waterfall, oh. Then, yung healing garden na maraming medicinal plants used in traditional remedies. Next ay ang Burkill Hall, kung saan pwedeng umupo sa mga bench while enjoying the view. May mga iba't ibang orchids na rin dito kasi malapit na sa entrance ng Orchid Garden. Mga bench nila na may nakatanim pa ng orchids sa gilid. Ang daming flowers, sana all. Swan Lake nila, although wala akong mga swan na nakikita at that time, pero napaka-refreshing. Meron din mga upuan sa gilid at kubo to relax and enjoy the view. Meron din silang bandstand na tinatawag and in some occasions, may mga tumutugtog na orchestra. Yung pond nila maraming water lily, lotus at yung large leaf-like basin floating na ang tawag ay Victoria water lily. Turtles at iba't ibang isda sa pond. Next stop ay ang National Orchid Garden. Bago ka makapasok sa loob, you have to pay a certain amount for the entrance fee. Pero kita nyo naman, sa labas pa lang, mapapawaw ka na talaga sa dami ng orchids. By the way, the national flower ng Singapore ay ang Vanda Miss Joaquim Orchid. Kahit saan ka titingin, mapapawaw ka talaga sa dami ng orchids. Ang ganda ng art nila. Yung mga yellow flowers sa gilid, mga orchids din yan, ibang variety. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video as we take a closer look at these vibrant blooms. That wraps up today's vlog. Our next adventure is the Cool House, where you'll get to see even more stunning varieties of orchids in a refreshing and misty environment. See you in the next vlog. Bye!